let's see the another concept, that will be the energy and power of a real signals. Before move on to the what is meant by energy and what is meant by power of a signal, first of all we will see the what is meant by bounded signal and as well as the unbounded signal. So if you take bounded signal, means this will be the modulus of f of t that will be less than infinite. What is the meaning for this modulus of f of t less than infinite? Whatever the plot you have to be taken, that area to be in between the finite duration. That means you have to be find that area easily. So that means it will be in the less than infinite. For example, if you take this will be a signal. For example, if you take this be a signal, so this the magnitude be the 2. So this will be the f of t, and here independent time variable be the t. Here in this plot you can observe, if you want to find out the area, for example, if you take this will be an 5 and this will be a minus 5, the duration will be the finite, the magnitude will be the finite. Here if you want to find out the area, means you can easily find out the area by applying the integration. So for example, if you similarly if you want to take this be a plot, simply this will be an ramp signal, this will be an f of t, and here this will be an t. Here this will be an unbounded signal. Why? Because from 0, from 1 1 2 2 3 3, and this will be finite. When it's be move on like this, it will be go to the infinite. At this infinite point you can't find out this scope, hence this ramp signal will be the unbounded signal. Okay, this be the unbounded signal. Okay, for example, another dot also came in, that will be an whether sinusoidal signals will be the bounded signal or the unbounded signal. Okay, let's see. So this will be an f of t, and here this will be an t. Here you can observe, here the duration will be goes to the infinite, but here the magnitude be the rotates between the +1 to -1. Okay, hence this will be also be the bounded signal. Okay, and now let's move on to the energy and power of signals. The main concept behind this energy and power of signals be the, you have to find out the area, whether it may be the finite duration or it will be go to the infinite. For that, the conclusions between that finite duration you will get some value, or you will go to the infinite, we will make some conclusions. That conclusions will be very important for your gate examination point of view. Okay, for example, if you take this will be an energy signal, the formula for the energy signal will be like this. So energy signal that will be equal to integration of minus infinite to infinite x square of n into x square of t into dt. This will be a formula for your energy of a signal. Similarly, if you want to find out the power of a signal, how you can find out the signal for continuous time? Power that will be equal to limit t tends to infinite 1 divided by 2t, that means power is equal to 1 divided by duration into energy, right? Energy means that will be the integration of minus infinite to infinite x square of t into dt. So here this will be the integration of minus infinite to infinite x square of t into dt. Okay, this was the formula for the energy of n signal and as in power of n signal. So another conclusions we have to made, whenever any problem has to be given to you, whether you have to find the energy of n signal of n power of n signal, how you can find out? By using the simple assumptions we can find out. The simple assumptions be like this: if they will be given the plot, you have to find out the energy of n signal. How you find out? Energy be the finite and power be 0. When you find out the area for this the required plot, in that area, if you get the energy be the finite and if you get the power be the 0, then that signal is said to be the energy signal. Then that signal is said to be the energy signal. Next, if they will be given to find out the plot for the power of n signal, right? If they will give you the plot for the energy of the signal, what you have to do? We have to apply this formula. Okay, and if they will be given the plot and you have to find out the power of n signal, that means simply you have to apply this formula. Okay, the conclusion for this power of n signal be the, so if they want to find out the first thing, power be the finite and energy be the infinite. So when you solving the power of n signal, if you get these two conclusions, power be the finite and energy be the infinite, then this type of signal is said to be the power signal. Then this will be said to be the power signal. Power signal. And next, another type of the signal also be there, that will be the neither energy nor power of n signal. So here if you want to find out the neither energy nor power of a signal, so in this case you will get the both energy and power be the infinite. Energy be the infinite and power be the infinite. Okay, and next, this was for the continuous. Similarly, if you want to find out for the discrete, what will happen? For the discrete, so what will happen to the energy? You already know, in the continuous time we have to represent it with integration. Similarly, if you move on to the discrete, how you can represent it? This integration can be changed to the summation, and t will be changed to the n. Why? Because in the discrete we already represented with n only. Okay, so here this will be the summation of n is equal to minus infinite to infinite x square of n into dn. And similarly, if you find out the for power, what will happen? Power that will be equal to, so here this will be the limit n tends to infinite 1 divided by 2n plus 1 into summation of n is equal to minus infinite to infinite x square of n into dn. This was the formula for the discrete energy and as well as the power of a signal. In the next class, we will try to see the energy and power of a complex signals. So please write it down as a notes for these conclusions. After a few classes, we will try to solve some problems. In the last class, be the conclusions class, be the very, very important. You can't do all of these stuff. Just see the question and put the answer. See the question and put the answer. I will be tell that shortcut for you for a GATE examination. So before that, for your concept, basic level of concept, you have to be write these things in a manner. Okay. If you really like this video, please like my video, share my video as well as the subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.